Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to center text in Excel. It's a simple trick, but it can make your Excel sheets look more organized and easier to read. So, first things first, you need to highlight the cells that you want to center the text in. It could be a single cell, a range of cells, or an entire column. Once you've selected the cells, head over to the Home tab and look for the Alignment category. Now, in the middle of the category, you'll see an icon that looks like it's in the center of the cell. This is the Center option. Click on it and your text will be centered in the cells that you have highlighted. And that's it! Your text is now centered in the cells. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your Excel sheets look. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next one. Goodbye.